Are you looking for a way to automatically flag duplicate records in Airtable? With zzBots, you can now install this as a plugin or pre-built bot from our plugin store. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Airtable account. After your account is connected, select the base and the table that you want your bot to watch for duplicates. Next, select the last modified time field from the dropdown. If there is not an option available, you will need to add a new field in Airtable with the last modified time field type. You will also need a field with the checkbox field type that will act as the duplicate field. The name of the field can be customized to your own needs. After you have selected the last modified time field from the dropdown, click Next, Install Now, and Done. You will be redirected to the bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings. This bot consists of 5 steps. The first step will trigger your bot when there is a new record in the specified base and table. The second step will delay your bot for 5 seconds to ensure that all record changes are completed before your bot checks for duplicates. The Find Record step will compare the new record with all of the other records in the specified table to check for duplicates. It will check for duplicates based on the custom filter formula. We will set up a custom filter formula for the following table that will flag any new records that have a duplicate phone number. Here the text email needs to match exactly what the name of the field is in your table. If you are looking to flag duplicates of a field named phone, then you would type the text phone instead of email. Once the text is matching exactly, you will need to insert the value of that field from Airtable in between the parentheses, as shown here. If you update the name of the field in Airtable, then you will need to update it in your formula. If there's a space in between text, such as with the field phone number, then you will need to type the text with curly brackets at each end. You will also need to reselect the table in the first step of your bot. Click Save, and then reinsert the updated value into your custom filter formula. The text that says duplicate in the formula needs to match the exact name of the field in your table that is acting as the duplicate. If the name of that field in your table is copy, then you would replace duplicate with copy in your formula. Once your formula is ready, the if condition step will stop the bot from flagging the new record if there are no duplicate records found. If there are duplicate records found, then your bot will continue to the update record step. Here, in the field acting as the duplicate, you will need to insert the value of the result of the if condition step. This will set the checkbox field of any duplicate records to true. After you have made all of these changes, scroll up and click Save. You can enable or disable your bot using this toggle button. We can test this bot by adding several new records into Airtable with a few duplicate phone numbers. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes in your table every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps of each bot, you will find the bot history. Each time that your bot is triggered, it will create a bot instance. The bot power used by each bot instance will be shown here. Bot power will not be used every time that your bot checks for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot is triggered and successfully checks for or flags duplicate records in Airtable. In Airtable, you can see that the records with duplicate phone numbers were successfully flagged as duplicates. If you are looking for more ways to automate your business or integrate your different apps together, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com or join our community at zzbots.com/community.